Xiaomi's Mi Super Sale, Redmi K20, Redmi K20 Pro, Poco F1, and others get discounts in India. Redmi K20, Redmi K20 Pro, and Poco F1 have received discounted prices through the Mi Super Sale in India. The 6-day sale also brings discounts on models such as the Redmi 7A and Redmi Note 7 Pro. Xiaomi is hosting the latest sale through the Mi.com, though some, and not all, of the deals are also reflecting on Flipkart. The Chinese company is also offering services such as the Mi Protect and Mi Screen Protect on purchase of smartphones at an additional cost. Similarly, customers can avail Mi Exchange to trade in their existing phones in lieu of a new Xiaomi phone. Under the Mi Super Sale through the Mi.com website, the Redmi K20 Pro is available with an initial price tag of Rs. 25,999. This shows a drop of Rs. 2,000 from the original starting price of Rs. 27,999. The Redmi K20 price, on the other hand, has been discounted to as low as 19,999 rupees, down from 21,999 rupees. The Xiaomi sale also brings discount on the Poco F1. It is available with a starting price of Rs. 14,999. The phone usually starts at 18,999 rupees. If you don't want the Redmi K20 series or Poco F1, the Mi Super Sale has the Redmi Note 7 Pro with a starting price of Rs. 11,999. This shows a temporary fall from its normal starting price of Rs. The sale also brings the Redmi 7A with a discounted starting price of 13,999 rupees, 5,499. This is down from the launch price that started at 5,999 rupees. Smartphone model sale starting price Rs. Regular starting price Rs. Redmi K20 19,999, 21,999. Redmi K20 Pro 25,999, 27,999. Poco F1 14,999, 18,999. Redmi Note 7 Pro 11,999, 13,999. Redmi 7A 5,499, 5,999. Xiaomi is offering services such as Mi Protect and Mi Screen Protect for customers purchasing its smartphones through the Mi.com. Also, there is Mi Exchange to get a trade-in discount on exchanging old smartphones. While the Mi Super Sale is live through the Mi.com until Sunday, November 10th, Flipkart is also offering the Poco F1, Redmi 7A, and Redmi Note 7 Pro with identical discount prices. The online marketplace is, however, not offering any such discounts on the Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.